Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hustle World, bring you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. All right, you all, Samsung is thinking about making some changes, and these changes could be good changes for the company as well as for the consumer. Now, what they're talking about doing is unifying the flagship devices, the Galaxy S line and also the Galaxy Note. Now, one reason could be why they're thinking about doing this is that the S9 and the S9 Plus has not been doing so well so far as sales is concerned, faring up against that of the Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus. Also, they're taking a look at the fact that the two smartphones look alike as well, and the only difference is that the Galaxy Note has an S Pen and a slightly different build. Other than that, the specs are normally the same from year to year. Now, this can only help Samsung as well, because what it's going to help them with is also developmental costs, and also this will bring back more revenue to the company as well. Because we got to take a look at the fact that Samsung has saturated the market with their smartphones, not only their flagship but also their mid-range smartphones. So this can only better the company. But what about the consumers, right? Well, this brings about a different lineup. I think it simplifies things to a degree. I think Samsung should come with the Galaxy Note at the beginning of the year with the next pen, and this is all we get at that year, or we get two of them and we call it the Galaxy Note and the Galaxy Note Plus, which brings about no S Pen on one of them. And then toward the end of the year, you got to consider the fact that Samsung is dropping another smartphone in the mix, and it's called the Galaxy X. The Galaxy X is coming next year, and it will be here to stay, right? So look forward to that. That's that foldable smartphone you've been seeing floating around the net lately. So that's how I think Samsung should do it. They should do the Note at the beginning of the year and then do the Galaxy X at the end of the year. I think it makes sense to me. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below, because I would love to know your thoughts on if Samsung should unify these two smartphones together, and if they do, how do you think they should go with the lineup? How do you think they should keep it? Should they still keep a smaller variant of a smartphone in the mix with that? Or should they keep it simplified with a 6.3-inch display and a foldable display that will be coming at the end of the year? All right, you all, that's going to be it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And hit the like button on the way out. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.